Hey, Scott Kuykendall from Layman's here in Morton, Illinois. 2016 Grand Caravan RT was a trade-in to us. It's a pretty clean unit. It's just a fresh trade right now. We really haven't been able to clean it yet. It's already been through the shop. Bumpers are in great shape on it. Tires are in good shape. I'll show you everything about it. We still need to detail it inside, which is really no big deal. Black aluminum wheels, got black leather. There's a look at the left front tire on it. It's in pretty good shape. Got a little scratch or ding here and there, but ever so minor. Here's a small little scratch. Hope you can see that. Little nick on it. We put rear brakes on it. In fact, they're brand new. In fact, you can see those. Rear brakes and pads on it. Got a trailer hitch on it. One little spot on the bumper. It might even buff off. Got a backup camera on it. Single video. Your spot's been touched up. Got one little scratch here by the handle. Might buff off. Van's in pretty nice shape. Let me show you the rest of it. So looking at the rear seats, like I said, we haven't cleaned it yet. Certainly not tore up at all. There's a DVD screen. Power windows, power door locks. Power driver seat on it. Temperature controls, AM, FM satellite. It's got the navigation on it. 89,731 on it right now. It's a pretty nice car. Call me on it. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Layman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you, even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.